Hello guys, welcome to my channel Digital Pen. I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way you can draw a cartoon or any kind of art at all you want to draw. The easiest way you can draw it in Photoshop with the pen tool. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post you'll get to see it first. So what you need to do first is to head into your Photoshop first, then go to File, make a new file, set your width and height, set it to 2000 by 2000, and of course give it a name. So guys, I already made a rough sketch of my character which I imported into Photoshop. So you could also do this. Either you get a paper and a pen and just make a rough sketch, then scan it and import it to Photoshop, or you could also use your brushes in Photoshop and make a rough sketch. So I'm just gonna work with the rough sketch I have here. I'm going to make a smooth sketch from it, then I can color it. So let's begin. So what you need to do first is you have to create a new layer on top of your rough sketch. Then you can name it a sketch because we are going to be sketching on the new layer that you created. So select the pen tool, then you have to select the brush tool. Just choose any brush of your choice. I would go with the one I prefer here. So set the size to 2%, then select the pen tool, and then you have to start sketching with the pen tool. So I'm just going to fast forward this video. So when you are done sketching, you have to right click and select stroke path and then hit continue. See you when I'm done sketching. I'll see you then. So for the facial details, I'm going to create a new layer because I don't want it to mix up with the other layer. So I'm just going to create a new layer, and then I'm just gonna select whatever I want to select. Then I'll probably use fill part on this because I don't want to stroke it. I'll just fill the parts with the black color or any color that you choose to. So the lips too, I'm also gonna use a new layer because I'm going to color it differently from the skin. So the same goes with the box she's holding. I'm just going to create a new layer for it too, so it doesn't conflict with other drawings I have. I'm just gonna do it on a new layer too, and I will take it below it because it's probably gonna be behind the hand. So I'm done with the sketch part. I'm just gonna fill in the colors. I already made a color palette for my character, so these are just the base colors, so I'm just going to fill it out. For you to fill the colors, you need to use the paint bucket tool. So you could just select from there, use the paint bucket to pick a color that you want to fill, then just click on it. It's to fill it out just like that. So I'm done filling the colors, my base colors. So now coming over to the shading part, I'm going to just give you guys one of the secrets I use to shade. Not too complex, something very simple. So the only thing I do is I just make a new layer for the shades, use Ctrl Alt and G to create a clipping mark so that you could get a neat shading of it without it coming outside the character. So for my highlights and for my lowlights, I'm just gonna use a brush. So I will reduce the opacity of the brush to thin. I'm gonna use white and black for my dark shades and white for my lighter shades. So I'm just gonna that's how I'm just going to continue to shade it, and just watch out for the thing. You probably know where you need to add your shadows and just how to put them in. So you could just use the white color when you have to add lights or reflections. So that's just how I do it. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'm just gonna fast forward it from here. Please support this channel by liking and hitting the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post video like this you get to see it first. Thank you so much guys.